Welcome to Entrepreneurial Edge. Does your life feel cluttered, not just your physical space, but your mind and your time too? I believe that tidying up is about more than just decluttering your home. It's about creating a life that sparks joy. Today we're sharing 50 practical, tiny ways to simplify your life, to bring more joy and less overwhelm. These small changes can make a big difference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on creating a life you love. Does your entryway spark joy? Keep it clutter-free. A clear entryway welcomes you home and sets a peaceful tone. Tidying is personal. Find what truly works for. Does it spark joy? Embrace your own unique organizational style. Check expiration dates on food, medications, and makeup. Letting go of expired items creates space for what truly nourishes you. Teach tidying young. Involve your children. Teaching them the habit of cleanliness cultivates a sense of responsibility and shared joy in a tidy home. The power of a made bed. Start your day with a small victory. Making your bed creates a sense of accomplishment and sets a positive intention. Letting go of duplicates. Do you really need to? Letting go of duplicates frees up physical space and mental energy. Choose the one that sparks the most joy. Embrace empty space. Don't fear empty space. It allows for clarity and peace, a visual breath of fresh air in your home. The one-touch rule. Put items back immediately after use. This simple habit prevents clutter from accumulating and saves you time later. Tidy as you go. Small acts, big impact. Tidying as you go prevents small messes from becoming overwhelming. Bookshelf refresh. Keep only the books that truly inspire you. Let go of the rest to create space for new knowledge and joy. Your color palette. Identify the colors that make you feel your best. A curated wardrobe simplifies decision-making and boosts confidence. Quality over quantity. Invest in fewer, high-quality items that you truly love. This mindful approach reduces clutter and supports sustainability. The hanger trick. Turn your hangers backward. As you wear items, turn the hangers forward. This reveals what you actually wear and what doesn't spark joy. Minimalist accessories. Choose a few key accessories that enhance your style. Less is more when it comes to adding those finishing touches. Laundry less. Do your clothes really need washing? Reduce laundry frequency to save time, energy, and prolong the life of your garments. Clothing care. Treat your clothes with care. Proper washing and storage preserve their quality and spark joy for longer. Conquer laundry mountain. Put laundry away immediately after drying. Avoid the dreaded laundry pileup and maintain a sense of order. The Diderot effect. Be mindful of the Diderot effect. Avoid impulse purchases after acquiring something new. Does it truly spark joy? Focus on timeless pieces rather than fleeting trends. A curated wardrobe of classics simplifies choices and transcends seasons. Choose clothing that can be dressed up or down. Versatile pieces maximize your wardrobe's potential and minimize clutter. Concentrate on a few key goals at a time. This focused approach increases your chances of success and reduces overwhelm. Prioritize saving, pay yourself first, automate savings to make it effortless, and build a secure financial foundation. Unsubscribe from temptation. Unsubscribe from brand emails that tempt you to overspend. Reduce clutter in your inbox and your mind. Automate payments. Set up automatic bill payments. This saves time and prevents late fees, simplifying your financial life. Pause before you purchase. Ask yourself if it truly aligns with your values and brings you lasting joy. Opt for digital bills and statements. Reduce paper clutter and simplify record keeping. Create an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This provides peace of mind and financial security. Home-cooked happiness. Eating at home saves money and allows for healthier, more mindful meal choices. Budgeting basics. Create a budget and stick to it. A clear financial plan empowers you to make conscious spending decisions. Track your spending. Monitor your daily expenses. Awareness of your spending habits is the first step towards financial control. All right, let's talk about the 30-day rule. Wait 30 days before making non-essential purchases. This simple practice helps you discern true desires from fleeting impulses. Next up, app organization. Organize your apps into folders. A tidy phone screen promotes clarity and ease of use. Finally, let's discuss app declutter. Delete apps you no longer use. A streamlined phone reduces distractions and frees up storage space. Try a 24-hour tech cleanse. Disconnect to reconnect with yourself and your surroundings. Use cloud services for document storage. Free up computer space and access your files from anywhere. Check email only once a day. Reduce distractions and dedicate focused time to other tasks. Replace mindless scrolling with productive activities. Use your time for what truly matters and sparks joy. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Reduce distractions and reclaim your focus. Recycle or sell old phones. Declutter your space and give your devices a new life. Email inbox zero. Regularly clear your emails. A tidy inbox reduces stress and promotes a sense of control. Social media curated. Unfollow social media accounts that don't inspire you. Fill your feed with content that sparks joy and uplifts your spirit. The gift of sleep. Prioritize sleep. Adequate rest is essential for physical and mental well-being. Learn to be yourself. Authenticity simplifies life by freeing you from the need to conform. Say no to things that don't align with your priorities. Protecting your time and energy simplifies your life. Incorporate movement into your daily routine. Even a short walk can boost your mood and reduce stress. Appreciate what you have. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what sparks joy in your life. Use kind and encouraging self-talk. Positive inner dialogue fosters self-compassion and resilience. Realistic success. Set realistic goals. Achievable milestones build confidence and reduce the pressure to be perfect. The pause button. Take breaks when you feel overwhelmed. Pausing allows you to reset and approach challenges with a fresh perspective. Daily routine rhythm. Establish a daily routine. Consistent habits create structure and simplify decision-making. Thanks for watching Entrepreneurial Edge. I hope these 50 tiny ways to simplify your life spark joy and inspire you to create a more peaceful and fulfilling existence. Remember, tidying up is not just about decluttering your physical space. It's about cultivating a mindset of intention and appreciation. If you found these tips helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more ways to simplify and enhance